Let me start with a quick note. For the remainder of this ATM lesson, I'll focus on the operation of Ethernet with ATM. This is because Ethernet is by far the most common network implementation and the one you will most commonly deal with. However, it's important to note that these same processes also work with token ring networks. ATM bridging, or ATM point-to-point bridging, as it's sometimes called, is the first and most basic design used in building an ATM network. ATM bridging is designed to convert Ethernet data into ATM and then back again to Ethernet. ATM bridging does this using a specification called RFC 1483. This specification defines how the information is actually converted and carried within the ATM cell. As I mentioned, ATM bridging is a backbone technology and is used to interconnect Ethernet switches across an ATM backbone. This works by adding ATM connectivity modules into the Ethernet switches that are connected to the workstations. When Ethernet traffic is received by the switch, it's processed by the ATM module. Inside the ATM module, the RFC 1483 specification converts the data into ATM cells. Then, the cells are forwarded to the ATM network. Other switches also containing ATM modules accept the cells, convert them back into Ethernet, and forward them to the final destination. Using this method, ATM is only used as a backbone bridge between Ethernet devices, which is why it got its name ATM bridging. ATM bridging is generally used as a backbone technology, meaning the ATM protocol normally does not interact directly with end-user computers. However, ATM bridging does support direct computer communication if that's what's desired. It's more likely, though, for ATM to communicate with the computers themselves using one of the protocols we're going to discuss next.